Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a King Ghidorah skull. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Ghidorah's skull, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to start right here and we're just going to draw a line. It's just going to come down and we'll curve it back here. Next we'll bring another line. It's just going to come down and up. And we'll connect this one all the way to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and down here. And then I'm going to bring another line. It's just going to come up, and we'll bring it over here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out. Then I'm going to bring this down and then in. Right here, I'm going to curve this line around and then down. And then I'll bring a line back up here for the nose. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then in. And then I'm going to make a few little bumps on here just to kind of show where the teeth are going to be. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve up. Then starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out, and it's going to come up like this. Make another one that's going to come out and then up. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up to a point and back. I'll bring another line up to a point and back, and then one more right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to curve it up to here. Then I'm going to bring this down all the way to here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then up. And then we'll bring this down and then back here. Next, we'll bring another one. It's going to come down to here and back. Now, let's go ahead and add some teeth. I'm going to make a small sharp tooth right there, and then a bigger one right here. And then I'm just going to add a few more sharp teeth right across here. We'll add a couple more here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down, and we're going to come right to here. I'm going to bring this down and in. Then I'm going to bring this down to a point and then up. Next, we're going to come down and up here again. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. We'll curve it back. And then we'll bring it up here. Then I'm going to add some more sharp teeth right across here, just kind of making some sharp, pointed, curved teeth. You can make them a little bit different sizes, especially as you get towards the back of the mouth. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out here to a point and then back up. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and back here. And then I'm going to curve a little line up here. Right here I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to bring this back and then up here. Then we're going to curve a line here and bring a line down here. And bring this line up here for a curve. And we're going to bring this up. Next, I'm going to bring a line up here. And then I'm going to start by making like a curved line right up here with another line down. I'm going to bring some little broken lines coming right up here, and a few broken lines coming right down here as well. And we're going to make a few coming across here. And a few more here. And we'll make a couple more broken lines right around there. Now up here, I'm going to start making some lines that are just going to go up and down, kind of at a point here, just to kind of show there's a little bit of texture and detail right on these big horns of Ghidorah. So I'm going to do the same thing here. We're just going to kind of add these little pointed kind of triangle shapes on here, or like arrow marks, whatever you want to call them. And we're just going to do these all the way across with a nice little broken line right down the middle. Make a few little broken lines and a few little spots around here. And then another little broken line or two right around here for some detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Ghidorah skull. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.